G'day, Charlie here from IFNW. Ever wondered why only a few of Infinite Flight aircraft have custom sound packs? Well, many of you guys asked a few developers about this. Here's what they had to say. Common themes talked about often revolved around one of two things: price and performance issues. Infinite Flight stated that they don't create engine sounds for their aircraft. They are assets bought from third-party companies. Due to these advanced sounds, they also put a strain on your device's processing power. This means that the aircraft's poly count may have to be lowered. However, some custom sounds have been used for multiple aircraft. Infinite Flight currently have 3 sound packs. The Boeing 737 pack, often referred to as default or generic, used for 90% of aircraft, including new generation aircraft like the Airbus A220. The Boeing 777 pack, used for other aircraft like the Airbus A330 family and the Airbus A380. And we have the Boeing 757 pack, used only on the 757-200 model. With a host of new gen narrow bodies on the way, should we expect a new custom sound pack? Well, maybe. Infinite Flight may integrate a new type of custom sound pack, possibly labeling it as the LEAP Sound Pack. This hypothetical sound pack could be used for a wide range of aircraft. The A220, 737 MAX, A320neo, and A321. This actually seems like a nice compromise. Whilst we aren't getting a LEAP 1A engine pack, we are getting custom sounds that capture the essence of these new gen engines. Another option Infinite Flight could investigate is editing already existing sounds. For example, the 777 startup sound could be used for a MAX or Neo startup. Furthermore, the other 777 sounds may be pitched up to sound like a smaller engine. Our team here at IFNW have done some editing. Give this a watch. Let us know what you hope to see with future Infinite Flight updates down in the comments below. Keep it Bonza, and we will see you next time.